knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach.
Okay, you guys, it's your girl, Lady T, back, and the kids want to make some cupcakes, so I got Ty over here. Say hi, Ty. Hi. I got Momo over here. Say hey, Momo. And they're gonna make some Valentine's Day cupcakes with some strawberries that I made off camera. So they're gonna have to get the chocolate all over them. They got some cookie icing. They got some Barbie sprinkles. They got some hearts. Some little jimmies and stuff over here. And show them your cupcake wrapper. What does it say, Kai?
Kisses and
Hugs and shakes. Mama got the little hearts and stuff. So, let's go, guys. These are marshmallows. We got some sprinkles, there's some pink sprinkles, some red sprinkles. What you got, Momo?
I like
Got the Barbie. Oh my God, it's so cute. Let's show the people. Super cute, girl. Okay, go ahead, you guys, if you want. They got some silver and gold and white, some red, some sprinkles. They got strawberries over there. Out, you can get it out of there. What you doing, okay? Remember, it's for Valentine's Day. Yep, there you go. Nice, nice. You can pour some out on here if you want, and then you'll be able to get them easier. That was okay too. A Barbie cupcake for Valentine's Day. Are those double hearts, Momo? It's two hearts together. Pretty. Oh, nice, Kai. Want to put one of
Mine
those
is a
on?
Barbie.
Yours is a Barbie cupcake. Cute.
I'm making one for my mom.
Okay. You want to show the camera? No. It's nice. Let me show you. This is Kai's first one. Nice. All the colors are matching. Oh, Momo's going for the marshmallow too. Ooh. Want me to show him? Or you still got more to do on that one? This is the Barbie cupcake, you guys. Momo's Barbie cupcake. You're done with this one? We'll put this one to the side. Okay, Kai's going for the red now. Momo's going for the pink. Pretty.
Why do you keep falling?
There you go. Place them in there. Want the red one?
But you both these colors match.
Okay.
And then it's gonna be a pink and red on this one.
Okay. Like the strawberry. Little sprinkles of pink. Ooh, a monster size one. There you go. Nice.
And another strawberry. I can't put the leaves like laying down on the strawberry. To my calculations,
What about your calculations?
it should stay.
It should. It should.
I'm gonna put a star here.
Okay.
Then a little. Okay. I'm done.
You done with yours? Let me see. Let me check out your strawberry and marshmallow combo. Hey guys, Kai's marshmallow combo with the strawberry with the little jimmies on top. Little pink going on in there. Then you got the pink with the pink heart.
Matching.
Matching. Then you got the red
You know what?
with the red heart. Matching the cup.
Okay. Ready, man? Okay. Don't tell when I lick my fingers it tastes good. Okay.
Ta-da! Let's see. Okay, Momo put the jimmies in there, you guys. The little gold ones. And the strawberry.
I didn't make one for you.
You guys did it. You like what you did?
Yeah.
You ready to eat them?
Yeah.
Well, you can eat the ones that you made for yourself. So you too, bye, you guys. Happy Valentine's Day, you guys.
Bye.
Bye.